A customer bought this iPhone 12 Pro Max and with line on the screen, and he actually can't tell how the screen got spoiled. So I'll be changing this iPhone 12 Pro Max screen. And first thing, we hit the screen, then we open it, then remove every screws that is inside it which is holding the screen, then disconnect the screen. Then the next thing we have to do is to fix the new one, which I'm going to be doing. This is a new screen which we're going to be fixing. Then we have to connect the screen connectors and the speaker. After connecting it, then we have to connect the battery. Then after connecting the battery, then we have to tighten every screw which was removed at first. Working as expected. Merry Christmas, and please don't forget to